Little cute little ponytail. Wow, who is she? Wow, that looks really good, especially on that side. Like, anyways, hey, my name is Haley Marie and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a wig review from an Amazon storefront. So let's get started. I honestly forgot what the name of it was, but I guess we're gonna find out. It's not a wig review, it's an unboxing, because I want to wear the wig a little bit before I actually tell y'all my thoughts on that. So, first impressions. There we go. It's a first impression. Let's see, so if y'all saw my last first impressions video, it didn't go well. It didn't go well. I wasn't the hair that I wanted, wasn't what I expected, but this so far looks okay. This is the boxing. It's from HelloThereHair storefront on Amazon. So this is what she looks like so far. Cool. Let's go ahead and just open this here. There's like a little note in here. Thanks for your purchase. We'd like to send you a free bob style hair wig if you're satisfied with the product, and I've already left a 5-star review. So if you guys are interested in getting this free bob, you can get that with your purchase of a wig from HelloThereHair. So this is the wig in the bag right here. So far this is looking pretty decent, actually. Wow, okay. Okay. Wow. She's looking long and luxurious. This is what the wig looks like straight out the box. So this wig, it looks okay. Honestly, the curls are cute, but I'll insert a clip here. They're not as cute as the one on the other wig that I thought was super disappointing. Also, the baby hairs are not curly either. That's fine. So this is what she's looking like. It's a 20-inch Brazilian, yeah, it's a 20-inch Brazilian water wave wig. So I don't really like Brazilian hair, to be 100% honest with y'all. I prefer Peruvian or Malaysian hair, but this is feeling pretty nice too. This is cute. Okay, time to try her on. It is a 360 frontal, and it is a 13x4 parting space as well. Oh, you know what? I think, yeah, 13x4, 360 frontal. It has 2 combs on the side and 1 comb in the middle. I wear a wig cap, so I don't usually use the comb in the middle. Oh, and it also has adjustable straps. So, ooh, and a comb in the back. How you doing? It's right here. Let's do this. Okay. So already, if you can see, this hairline looks alright. It's like a little pre-plucked. How you doing? Do y'all see that? That looks pretty good. The laces, we'll talk about the lace later. So this is what the wig looks like straight out the box. I'm gonna go ahead and spritz it with some water and probably pluck the baby hairs a little more, because I want to wear it like this, you know, curly, like that. I want it to be longer though, like, whatever. I'm gonna spritz it with some water and do what it do. So let's see how that turns out. So this is how the hair is looking. What I did was I plucked it a bit, as you can see here. I plucked it a little bit. I cut the lace, glued it down on like right here and right here. So that's why the little flap's coming up. And then I sprayed it with water. After that, I kind of just brushed it with my regular paddle brush. And then, don't mind that. Right, regular paddle brush. And then I just kind of let it air dry for about 20 minutes. And this is how she's looking. I did forget to mention earlier that this wig is 180% density, I believe. Yeah, this wig is 180% density. It looks okay. I mean, as a review, so far the hair is really nice. It's super soft. It doesn't have a smell to it. Before I plucked it, there was no shedding. The top is kind of shedding a bit, but that's because I plucked it. I have plucked out a lot of hair. Like, you can even tell I have like a bald spot right here. But I plucked out a lot of hair, so it's probably still coming out a little bit, but underneath on the bottom, there's no shedding or anything like that, so it's fine. The hair is actually really good, to be honest. It's good so far. Of course, I will update you guys to let you know like my experience with the hair. I bought this with my own money. Obviously, like, I'm nobody, but I bought this with my own money, so I'm gonna give you like the real deal. Let's see, it's super soft. It looks so good. Right now it's looking pretty cute. I guess if I had glued it down properly, I could like wear it in a little ponytail. No, I'm saying. So, oof. I don't know about this side. This side's looking a little rough, in my opinion, but yeah. Little cute little ponytail. Wow, who is she? Wow, that looks really good, especially on that side. Like, anyways, yeah. So this is how it's looking in the front. This is how it's looking in the back. Yeah, the curl pattern is really beautiful, and I know you're probably thinking, oh my god, it looks so soft, and you would be 100% correct. This shit is so amazing. This is actually the softest hair I've ever felt or ever bought from a shop. So yeah, this is pretty legit so far. Wow, looks so soft. It is so soft. Whew. And it's so fluffy. I don't want to like scare anyone away who like doesn't like big hair, but this hair, y'all, is so fluffy. Like, oh my goodness, I love big hair, so this is exciting. Yeah, you could do a little, you know, half up, half down type deal. I don't really rock with that most of the time unless I have like unless I have crochet braids. But this is how that is looking. Wow, wow, it looks so good. So now I'm going to see what it's looking like after I put some products in it. I don't really know what to put in it because usually, like, if I buy curly hair, this is just how I wear it. I don't really go for like the sleek, slick look, but I know some of y'all do, so make it do what it do. Let's see what's going on here. I have some hair gel. I'll go get it. I haven't used it in maybe like 6 years. Yeah, so I'm gonna go grab some hair gel and some conditioner. Be right back.